Welcome to our celebration of the International Day for Biological Diversity, also known as International Biodiversity Day, a day dedicated to understanding and preserving the incredible variety of life on our planet. Today, we are exploring why biodiversity is so crucial for our survival and what we can do to protect it. Biodiversity refers to the variety of all life forms on Earth, from the smallest bacteria to the largest whales, and everything in between. Each species, no matter how small, plays a role in maintaining the balance of ecosystems. These ecosystems provide us with essential services like clean water, fertile soil, and a stable climate. Unfortunately, human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change are putting this delicate balance at risk. But it's not all doom and gloom. There are many ways we can help protect biodiversity. Let's explore a few simple actions we can take. First, plant native trees and create green spaces. Second, reduce, reuse, and recycle to cut down on waste. Third, support sustainable and local food sources. Fourth, participate in or donate to conservation efforts. Even small changes in our daily habits can make a big difference. By making conscious choices, we can all contribute to preserving the rich tapestry of life on Earth. Education and awareness are the keys to protect biodiversity. The International Day for Biological Diversity is a reminder that we are all part of the solution. Every action counts. Together, we can make a difference. Happy International Day for Biological Diversity. Thank you for watching, and let's celebrate the amazing diversity of life on our planet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content.